Okay folks, we're going to talk about the D22 again, and most of you may have the sunroof shade missing. That's the part inside your cabin above where you can block out the sun from your sunroof. I don't know anybody that has a D22 that tends to have that sunroof shade. I believe it's a carpet like thing that you insert, and my D22 didn't come with it, and I thought I wouldn't bother to get it out, create something. So at first I tried a number of things. I tried suction cups holding a blind. Then I thought about maybe just painting the whole sunroof some solid color, but you know, that would defeat the purpose of trying to get some light in if you ever wanted it. Then I thought about maybe tinting it darker, but then again I hate to see bubbles in tint, and I don't like that really dark look. Maybe you want to have light, again defeating the purpose. So I thought I would do something different, where I could build a frame and insert it to where the sunroof shade used to be. Now if you want to do this for yourself, you'll need to make a rectangular frame. I like to work with metal, but if all you have is wood, then maybe you can use light cedar or pine. For my preference, I use 1/8 thick 1/2 inch flat steel. You can't use round because you want it to fit in the grooves, as you'll see later in the video. Now if you're using wood, then you'll need to probably use dowel rods or something that could fit in the groove. If the wood is too thick, then you'll have to make some adjustments somehow. But anyway, back to metal, because that's what I'm using in this video. Now you'll see I've created a frame, and the size of the sunroof, the size of the frame is meant to fit into the grooves of the sunroof without compromising the ability to open and close the sunroof. So in this video you'll see the dimensions that I made mine with. They'll come up just now. Now if you're able to weld or get somebody to weld the frame, you can now paint it, prime it, whatever you want, whatever color you like. I personally just put mine in whatever color I had available. I think it was black. Now the front portion of the sunroof comes with grooves that normally you would snap in that carpet like sunroof shade that is the default, the stock manufacturer shade that Nissan provides. But in this case you can just put the frame into the groove, and in the back portion you would use zip ties to tie it up. Of course you could do something more permanent, but I rather zip ties because it's easy to take off in case you need to replace anything or fix something or whatever. Now with the frame in place, you can now attach any kind of retractable sunscreen or shade, or put anything you want there, because the frame acts as that stable hold that you don't have with glass. I've tried putting suction cups or suctions on the glass or stickers or even glue, and the sun just melted it all away. It just doesn't work after a while. And you know, you have that above your head, you want it to be safe and secure. And this is what it looks like in the final production. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and you can see my other videos about my D22 and what I've done to keep it on the road.